Hello everyone, welcome back to Jayadev Academy. My name is Kranthi. I am physics faculty here. Today I am going to discuss 10th class topic, that is heat. Let's come to the topic. In this heat topic, I am going to cover what is the properties of the heat, and the second one, what is the energy, and third one, types of heat transfer, because heat will transfer between the two bodies. So there are number of types of the heat transfer. I am going to explain the main types of the heat transfer between the two bodies. And the fourth one, hotness and coldness of the body. And the fifth one, temperature. And the sixth one, equilibrium of the body. Because when you take the two bodies or three bodies, the temperature of the bodies are similar, or they are constant, or they maintain equal temperature. So what is the concept behind that? That is the equilibrium of the body. And the last one, the specific heat of the body. If you know all these topics, you are going to learn the specific heat of the body. This is a very important topic, and you are going to learn in the future in the 10th class or in your degree, in your PG also. This topic is most important throughout the heat subject or thermodynamics. Let's come to the properties of the heat. The first property of the heat is form of energy. And the second one, heat will flow from higher temperature to the lower temperature. I will discuss about the second point later. First I wanted to discuss heat is form of energy. What is energy actually? So many people are thinking that actually there is no particular definition about the energy. You can't imagine an energy. You didn't see energy. But how you have to know that what is the energy? Let's come to the next board. Here I am going to explain energy. Actually I am not explaining, I am not showing what is energy, but I am going to explain you how you can see the energy, how you can feel the energy, because there is no physical quantity or there is no physical appearance to understand energy. So that's why I am going to show you. The first one is energy is a quantitative property of body or matter. What is the quantitative property actually? You take any body, you take any matter. For suppose, just take example me. I am having energy. So that's why I am speaking, that's why I am explaining, that's why I am talking, that's why I am living here. And how I get the energy? Because consuming food, consuming vegetables, consuming drinks, or consuming meat. How these meat and vegetables they have the energy? Because they rice will form from the ground, right? Ground have minerals, so minerals has the energy. So meat in chicken, goat has the energy. And how these minerals are get energy? Those minerals getting energy from the soil. Like this, from the soil we are getting a crops, from the crops we are getting a rice, from the rice I am consuming rice, that's why I am getting energy. So that's why energy will transform from one body to other body or one matter to other matter. You take anything, just take example book. Book has energy. And you take anything living creature, like you can take a goat, you can chicken, whatever they, those also have energy. So I am also having energy. You guys also having energy. Because of your energy, you are watching this video. Because I am having energy, I am explaining to you. That is the energy. So that's the energy. That is the quantitative property. That is quantitative property. So energy already inbuilt, already its inherent property. It's already inbuilt in the bodies, in the all the matter, in the all the universe. You never get the energy, you never lose the energy. It already in your body and in the matter, in the universe also. And the next point, energy is a conservative. I already explained. But consuming food, I am getting energy, right? I am getting energy. I am shouting, I am explaining, so my energy is losing. You are watching, your energy is losing. So I am explaining the concept, and you are getting the energy of the concept through your through this video in your brain, right? When you getting energy in your brain, So that energy you are going to use in the exams. Like that, the energy I am consuming, energy I am losing. So what does this mean? If I take 10% of energy, I am losing 10% of energy. So energy is not drop here, energy is not gain. So it maintains the constant level. So that's why throughout the universe the energy is constant. That is called conservative energy. That is, energy is a conservative. And the third point is energy used to do work. I already said. I am talking, I am explaining because I am having some certain of energy in my body. If I don't have energy, what will happen? I didn't explain properly. So that's why I am having energy. That energy I am using to do work. And the last point, this is the most important point, is energy cannot be created or destroyed. The energy is, I'm not created. Even no one can create the energy, and no one cannot destroy the energy. Because why? Because quantitative property. Already energy has inbuilt property. Let's take this board. This is the digital board. Let's take this is the pen. This pen has energy. How this pen has the energy? No one knows. It's a property of the body. So that is the energy. Let's come to the the virtual discussion. Let's see. Here I am taking energy. Already in the last topic I explained the energies. So here I am explaining, energy is mechanical energy. I can say there is a electrical energy, and also energy is a thermal energy, and energy is a light energy, energy is a chemical energy. Like this, energy has different forms. You can say it. And also I said that energy has conservative property, and also I said energy has the different types. So that's why here you can see energy has mechanical, electrical, thermal, light, chemical, whatever. There are so many types of energies. Now let's discuss the how many types, how the energy will transform one body to other body. I said that energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. And the second point is energy is conserved. Please keep in this mind. These 2 points is very important. Let's here actually this is the bicycle and this is the water. Actually I need to heat the water. So that's why I put the wheel here. Because if I use the bicycle, so the wheel rotate, then the water will heat. Let's say I am using here a mechanical energy. Let's see, actually I am riding a bicycle. So my energy is transferred to the pedal. So this energy is called mechanical energy. This energy is called mechanical energy. The mechanical energy going through the wheel, so that mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. This is an electric generator. Electrical energy. Because of electrical energy, water will heat. Water will heat. So when the water is heat, so the molecules are come out. See, here I am using mechanical energy. That mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. That electrical energy is converted to thermal energy. Let's also you said that there is another form of energy. Okay, let's take another example. I am taking a tap. Okay, so like this is like a reservoir. This thing is happening in reservoir also. This thing is happening in the reservoir also. I take a water, and this is the generator. Now I wanted to light the lamp. Now I wanted to light the lamp. I put the light. So just I am releasing the water. This is, you see, I am releasing the water. So because of I am releasing the water, mechanical energy, that mechanical energy works to rotate the wheel. So because wheel is rotated, so the electricity will generate. Because mechanical energy will rotate, the electricity generated. This electricity helps to light the lamp. See, so light the lamp. Here light will glow like this. Light will glow. Here light will glow. See, light will glow. What happened here? Mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. Electrical energy is converted to light energy. Converted to light energy. No sir, I wanted to know more about this topic. Okay, let's come to next topic. I am explaining. I am taking sun here. Okay. So I also wanted to, because of sun energy we are unable to rotate this wheel. So I am taking, the sun panel. So sun releases energy, right? Sun releases energy because this sun panel attracts those energy, and this energy is converted into electrical energy, and light will also glow. So the sun energy, so this is the thermal, because sun is a heat, so sun releases heat. So when the heat absorbed by the sun panel, solar panel, so that thermal energy is converted to electrical energy. This electrical energy uses to glow the bulb. Next, take the final example. Let's take the final example, that is teapot. Sir, what is the teapot? Here I am heating the teapot. So take the wheel. I am heating the teapot. I am heating it. Let's see. I am giving energy. I am giving energy through the thermal energy, through the heat. Because in the teapot water, we have water. So water is boiling. Because of water boiling, we are getting vapor. Because of vapor, the wheel will be rotated. When the wheel rotates, the thermal energy is generated. So that thermal energy helps to rotate the fan, or it helps to light the lamp. So see here energy, I am using energy. Here I am giving energy here, right? So this energy is taken by the water. So this water is given to the wheel. This wheel convert the energy to the electricity, and this fan rotates and the energy come out. So all these experiments, I explained the 4 experiments. In all these experiments, you can see here first I am giving energy. I am not created, I am not destroyed. I am giving energy, and there is a complete process. The energy is coming out. Here there is no loss of energy. So that's the mean. That is the energy is concerned. How much amount of energy I am giving? If I gave 10 joules of energy. I gave the 10 joules of energy. At the same time, output also, I got 10 joules also. This is the conservative property. And here see, energy not be created, cannot be destroyed. So that is the main intensity or main properties of the energy. Hope you understand. Yes, hope you understand what is the energy, what is the form of energy, and everything. I explained complete energy topic, right? Why I explain energy? Because if you know the energy, I will explain what are the types of the heat transfers? Let's come to the another virtual demonstration. I will explain the another virtual demonstration that about the heat transfer. Heat, it has three types. Actually, heat will take three types. The first one, I am taking three bodies. First, if I take three bodies, like if I take a heat like this, anything, any object, like take heat. So this is the heat through conduction. Heat through conduction. And the second one, heat through convection. Heat through radiation. Like this. Heat from one body to another body, it will travel or it will flow in the three processes. What are those three processes? Let's come to the first process is conduction. Heat through conduction. Sir, what is the heat through conduction? Because let's take an example here. This is the induction stove, or you can take any gas stove. So I am planning to boil the milk. I am taking a vessel. I kept the vessel on the gas. When I kept the vessel on the gas, I just turn on the gas. What will happen? The gas, it gives the energy, right, to the vessel. So when a vessel get the energy, actually when the vessel get the heat, this complete vessel getting heat, it becomes hot. Let's see. I turn on the gas. Here I am giving heat. So the complete vessel is getting heat. When I touch here, I felt hot. Because heat will transform from this vessel to my body. This called conduction. For example, I am taking, just this is a fire. Just imagine this is a fire. I am taking an iron rod. I kept an iron rod here. I kept an iron rod in the fire. When I touch iron rod at the end, I felt hot. Because the heat is transformed from one end to the other end because of the medium. So when the heat transform like that, heat transform through medium, through our body, any body. So that transformation, that heat transformation is called conduction. Okay, sir, you explain the conduction topic. Then what is the next topic? I explained it. Next topic is convention. Let's discuss about the convention. Here, see the convention. Let's see. Here, this is the furnace. Actually, this is like in some in winter areas. In their house, there is a furnace because they wanted to heat their room. Okay. What will happen? What is the inside the furnace? Let's see. So in the furnace there is a heat. There is a fire. What will happen when the fire fire is lit inside the furnace? The heat will generate the surroundings. Actually, heat will come outside like this. Heat also will come out like this, right? Because this is the metal. So because of the heat, this metal also get heat. Because of this metal, the surroundings also getting heat. So when the surroundings getting heat, the surrounding there is a air also. So this furnace has some air outside. It has a air. So because of this heat, outside air is also getting heat. Let's see the video like this. See here, inside the furnace is getting heat. Because of furnace, the heat is going outside through the metal. So that's why outside air is also getting heat. So this method, like this, heat also will transform from this method, like inside the furnace fire, outside the air is also getting heat. This method is called convection. I am here. I wanted to explain another daily life example. That let's take water beaker. This is a water beaker. So I am giving fire. I am giving fire here. This is the fire, and I kept water inside. I kept water inside. This is the beaker. What will happen? First, what will happen? If I give the fire continuously, first the bottom layer will get heat. When this bottom layer get heat, this bottom layer will go up, and the this upper layer will come down. Again this layer will get heat, again this layer get heat, and again it will go up, and again it will come down. See here, I am getting heat, and vessel getting heat also, right? I am giving heat. Because of I am giving heat, vessel getting heat. Because of vessel, the down part, right? The lower part water is getting heat. That get those heat molecules or those heat water is going up, and cold water getting down. Like that, water will boil. So that's why when if you wanted to bath, when we put a fire, when you put a hand, first we are not feel upper water is hot, but we feel lower water is very hot. So that's why, like this, water will go up and it will come down. Go up, it will come down. This process is called convection. Hope you understand, right? What is the last one? Radiation. Sir, what is the radiation? This radiation you already know that, guys. Now let's take example. I am taking example sun. Sun is the very greatest example in everyday life. See, sun. Sun is a very hot body. Because of sun, we are getting some waves. We are getting some heat waves, right? We are getting some heat waves like this. These waves are called electromagnetic waves. So like this, from sun we are getting heat, because how sun releases waves. Because of those waves we are getting heat. So this is the another method. That method is called, that transformation is called radiation. So finally what you learn here? So heat it transform from one body A to body B in three processes. What is the first one? First one is the conduction. And what is the another one? Another one is the convection. Okay? What is the last one? Last one is the radiation. In these three processes, the heat will transform from one body to another body. Okay? Hope you understand, right? Let's come to our board. I already explained types of heat transfer. What is the first one? What is the first one? Conduction. And the second one, convection. What is the third one? Radiation. Hope you understand, right? Next come to the Next topic. So this is the very interesting topic. I am going to explain how heat transform from one body to other body. Let's take an example. Why I am explaining this? Because sometimes if you hold one body, we feel it's like a hot. If you hold one body, it feel like a cold. And if sometimes if you hold some body, any material, any body, you are not feel any cold or hot. Why? How heat transfer from one body to another body. Let's take an example. I am taking an empty beaker. This is an empty glass. I wanted to fill this water. What I have to do first? If I wanted to fill this water, I need to pour the water from upside. Okay. Let's take an example. I am taking water inside. I am taking water is down part. The empty beaker is a upward. Okay, it's a down part. It's a up part. What I wanted to? I wanted to shift this water. I wanted to shift this water through this pipe to the empty beaker. Is it possible? Is it possible or not? Let's see. Let's take another example. So same example I am taking, but now I am taking it like this. Now I am taking a pipe like this. I wanted to fill this water. So which beaker is going to fill? This one, right? This one never. Why? Because water will flow from upward to downward, right? Water will flow from upward to downward, but water cannot flow downward to upward. It will flow when we have to use motor. We have to use motor. If you use motor, then water will flow from downwards to upward. In our homes also, if we wanted to fill the tank, we have to use the motor. The motor helps to bring the water from the ground to our tank. But when you use the water through tap, you never use the water, because just open the tap, because the water coming from the tank to the lower ground, to your bathroom. So this is because of gravity. Okay, we are not discussing this. So like this, water will flow from upward to downward. Let's take another example. Reservoirs. See, reservoirs also having the water upside, and the water will come downwards. But in the reservoirs, never water will go upward. Okay. The next example also. Here also. This reservoir also, see here. This reservoir also, water is upward and it will come downwards. This is the nature of the water, right? And what is the final example? Like this. See, here water, everything is water. So gates will stop the water. When you lift the gates, water will come downwards. Similarly, same example I am going to explain here. Same example I am going to explain. How heat will transform from one body to another body. Heat also will transform from higher temperature to lower temperature. Here we have to say temperature. Let's take an example. This is my human body. This is our human body. Okay? This is human body. Actually, what is the normal temperature of the human body? It's approximately 37 degrees centigrade. I am taking an iron ball. Iron block. This is iron. Okay? This is iron. The temperature of the iron I am taking here 50 degrees centigrade. And let's take another block. This is the wooden block. This is wooden block. Okay. The temperature of the wooden block is 20 degrees. So how water will flow? In the previous class, what I told, water will flow from high to low level, right? Similarly, temperature also, similarly, temperature also will flow from high temperature to low temperature. But heat never flow from low temperature to high temperature. It's never flow. Let's take an example. I am 37 degrees centigrade. Just I am here. Now my body having 37 degrees centigrade. So I am trying to touch the iron, iron block. Here, what is the iron block temperature here? 50 degrees. Here, what is my body temperature here? 37 degrees. Is iron block temperature is more temperature than my body or not? Yes, this iron block temperature is more. My body is only 37, right? But iron body temperature is 50 degrees. What will happen when I take my hand? When I touch the iron body, what will happen? How temperature will flow? High temperature to low temperature. This is the high temperature, right? This is the lowest temperature. When I touch the iron block with my hand, the heat will transfer from iron body to my body. Because this is the high, right? This is the high temperature. This is high temperature. This is low temperature. My body is low temperature. That's why heat will flow from high temperature to low temperature. When heat will flow from high temperature to low temperature, I felt like it's hot. It's hot. Let's come to this example. This is my body. I am having 37 degrees centigrade temperature. So this is the wooden block. What is the temperature of the wooden block? 20 degrees centigrade. Right? So which temperature is more between these two bodies? My body temperature is more and the wooden block temperature is less. How heat will transfer now? Just imagine these two bodies. How heat will transform? The heat will transform from higher body to lower body. Like what happened when I touch this block with my hand? When I touch this block, my heat, I am having a body heat, right? My heat will transfer to the wooden block. Then I felt cold. Like it's a freeze. It's a hot. Okay, hope you understand. See, here heat will transform from high temperature to low temperature. Okay, this is my normal body temperature. This is the iron block temperature. What is iron block temperature? Iron block temperature is more than my body temperature. When I touch it, the heat from this body is coming through. It's transferred through my body because I am low. It's a high. That's why it sends the heat to my body. Similarly, when I touch the lower temperature, when this is my 37 degrees, this is at 20 degrees. When I touch this block, my heat transfer to the wooden block. My heat transfer to this wooden block. Okay, that's why I am feeling hot. I am feeling cold. In physical terminology, I said that when heat, let's see, I am here. Just see, I am here. This is the high temperature. This is the low temperature for me, right? When I touch this body, the heat is transferred through my body. I am getting heat from this body. So when I am getting heat from the body, I felt cold. When I touch this body, I am releasing heat to this body. That's why I felt this body is a cold. Let's take an example. Just you are in the room. Okay. What is your normal body temperature? Normal body temperature 37 degrees. When you sitting in the room, your room surroundings air also getting 37 degrees temperature. Your body also getting 37 degrees temperature. That's why you are not feel any heat or any cold. Now this is a summer season. Just go outside. What will happen? Immediately you felt very hot because outside temperature, minimum temperature is 43 degrees centigrade. What is our body temperature? It's a 37 degrees temperature, right? So 43 is higher, right? 37 is lower. So when you go out, the 43 temperature is transferred through your body. Your body will absorb the temperature. That's why you are getting heat. Immediately you come to your room, then your room, the AC will on. What is the AC? What is the minimum temperature in AC? We are running in 24 degrees centigrade. When you come inside, our body is 37 degrees. Room temperature is 24 degrees. So our body temperature is transferred through the cold. We are losing heat. When we are losing heat, we felt like cold. When we are gaining heat, we felt like hot. That's it. There is nothing. That's why if you felt any body is hot, that means the temperature of the body is more than our body temperature. If you feel a body is cold, the temperature of the body is less than our temperature. So it depends on our body. Let's take example this pen. Take this pen. I am not feeling any hot or cold because my body temperature, this pen temperature is equal. That's why I didn't feel any cold or hot. Hope you understand, right? Next, now explaining the topic is temperature. Actually, what is the temperature? Sir, you explain here. You already explained here hot, cold, like this. But why we need to know the temperature? Because the temperature, the term is very, very important. Let's take an example. I am taking bricks. Okay? And the second example, I am taking water. And the third, would say I wanted to say that what is the weight of these bricks? Let's say the weight of the bricks is 50 kgs. Okay? How many liters of this water? This is 20, this is 20, this is 20, right? 60 liters. Okay, we already know this. This is the 50 kg, we have to say this. Here we are using 20 liters, here 50 kg. Let's say I wanted to say, no, this is wrong. I wanted to say this is 50 liters. The weight of the bricks is 50 liters. Is it right? No. We are not using the term liters here. We have to use the term kgs. Because solids also said or measured with the kg only. We are not using liters. But liquids, we have to use the liters. I never say, I don't want to say, or if I say water has a 60 kg, this is wrong. Liquid never be kgs. Liquid, we also said it like, liters. You say that 1 liter milk, but you never say that 1 kg milk. It's wrong. You said that, 1 kg chicken. You never say that 1 liter chicken. That's wrong. Similarly, if you wanted to know the temperature of the body, we have to say in degree centigrade. In degree centigrade. So we have to say the temperature of the body is in degree centigrade. This is the unit. We never say that temperature of the body is in 50 kgs. We no need to say this body temperature is 50 kg or this body temperature is 60 liters. This is wrong. The body temperature is 50 degrees centigrade or take 60 degrees centigrade. What is my body temperature? 37 degrees centigrade. What is my weight? 71 kgs. Like that we have to say. We never say I am having weight 71 liters. No, this is wrong. I am having temperature 37 kgs. That is wrong. So what is here? What is the temperature here? The temperature is a measurement. That measurement helps to say a body, is it hot or cold? That's it. That's a simple definition. The temperature అనేది, why we have to use the temperature term? If I take any body, if I wanted to say that is that body hot or cold, I have to use a degree. I have to use a degree, a unit. Because of that unit, I wanted to say is that body cold or hot. That is term is called temperature. Let's take, I am taking, so my body temperature is 37. Right? What if I say hot body, if I want to say body is a hot, the temperature should be more than 37 degrees. Right? If I touch more than 37 degrees temperature of the body, I felt hot. Okay? See, if this body has 30, if this body is a 50 degree centigrade temperature, this body is a 20 degree centigrade temperature. So that's why my body is 37 and this body is more than my body temperature. That's why this body is a hot and this body is a cold. Okay? How heat transfer from higher body to lower body? From higher body to lower body. Right? And how we feel hot when we are getting heat from other body. If we are getting heat from other body, from higher temperature, this body feels like hot. When we lose our heat energy to other body, this body we feels like cold. Okay? Hope you understand this complete concept. Right? I think you already familiar with all these topics. Next class I am going to explain the most important topic, that is the specific heat of the body. Okay? Thank you for listening. I hope you like this class. If you like the class, please share and subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.